Hey everyone, welcome to Rice PTE. This is a very special video. We will cover the entire PTE speaking section. We will explore each question type in the PTE speaking section and give you tips to help you boost your score and feel confident on exam day. So, grab a notebook and pen. Let's begin. We will look at the overview of the PTE speaking section. The PTE speaking section evaluates your ability to speak clearly and accurately in English. It includes 5 different question types. Number 1 is read aloud. Number 2, repeat sentence. Number 3, describe image. Number 4, retell lecture. And the 5th one is answer short question. We will go through each one step by step. Number 1, we will look at read aloud. What do you need to do in this question type? You will see a short text on the screen. Your task is to read it aloud clearly and accurately. Let me give you an example. The importance of recycling cannot be overstated. It helps reduce waste and conserve natural resources. Tips for a high score? Number 1 tip is to focus on clarity and pronunciation. Speak each word clearly. For example, say recycling as recycling, not recycling. Got my point? Let's look at the second tip. Speak at a good pace. So maintain a steady, natural pace. Don't rush or speak too slowly. For example, don't rush through. It helps reduce waste. Make sure every word is heard. Some people might have told you to speak very fast without paying attention to anything else, but that is wrong. Try to speak fast, but also make sure it's not so fast that you are making mistakes. Next, we will look at the repeat sentence. What do you need to do in repeat sentence? Listen to a sentence and repeat it exactly as you hear it. I'll give an example. The library is closed on public holidays. So tips for a high score is, number 1 tip is to focus and visualize. While listening, try to picture the sentence in your mind. For example, imagine a closed library with a public holiday sign. Second is to practice regularly. Improve your memory and pronunciation by practicing daily. Use language apps or online tools to sharpen your skills. Next, we will look at the describe image. So what do you need to do in describe image? You will see an image and you will have to describe it in detail within 40 seconds. For instance, if you are looking at a bar chart that shows sales of fruits in a week, then you might say something like this. This bar chart shows the sales of different fruits in a week. Apples had the highest sales with 50 units, followed by bananas and oranges. So tips for getting a high score in describe image. Number 1 tip is structure your description. That is, start with an overview, then go into specific details. For this fruit sale chart, example say something like, this chart illustrates the highest are followed by. And the next is use relevant vocabulary. Use words like increase, decrease, highest, and lowest. You can say sales increased for apples but decreased for oranges. Next one is retell lecture. So what do you need to do in retell lecture? Listen to a lecture and summarize it in your own words. Let me give you an example. If the lecture is about climate change and its impact on polar bears, you can say something like, the lecture discussed the impact of climate change on polar bears, highlighting the loss of ice habitats and the resulting decrease in their population. Let's look at the tips for success in this. Number 1 is take notes. Write down key points as you listen. For example, jot down climate change, polar bears, ice habitats, population decrease. And second is to summarize key points, which means Focus on the main ideas and avoid unnecessary details. Last step, we will look at the answer short question. So what do you need to do in this question type? You will listen to a question and give a short, direct answer. The answer has to be a word or a couple of words, not more than that, not full sentences. Okay? Let's look at an example. The question is, what is the capital of France? Your answer will be Paris. Tips for success is, keep it simple. Provide a clear, one word or short answer. For example, if asked, what is the largest planet? Simply say, Jupiter. Okay? Practice common questions. Familiarize yourself with general knowledge questions. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Your answer should be Shakespeare. And there you have it. Remember, the key to success is practice and familiarity with each question type. Keep these tips in mind, stay calm, and you will do great on exam day. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know. Drop any questions or suggestions for future topics in the comments. Best of luck with your PTE preparation. Bye-bye.